One of the most perplexing mysteries of House on the Rock is a display under renovation signage mounted to the nearby tree that is there despite the machine it's by is not planned to be fixed to where it is playable like back in 2006. Sometimes I get asked why it was there because I posted a video a couple years back showing it and explaining that the director of operations wouldn't acknowledge the signage or explain its reasoning. This video gets a lot of views. I do know it came from Octopus's garden, and after they fixed that it ended up mounted to the tree by the moon of Manakoora. My question is, what is the true reason it's there? The best theory I got is it has to do with the Martin Denny soundtrack, and this machine embellished those recordings originally. I was told by a knowledgeable employee that it lives on when referring to the machine, likely referring to the Martin Denny soundtrack that was since reissued and released across music streaming services. One thing to note is that the definition of renovation is the act of renewing or restoring something, to make new. The machine was not actually physically being repaired or rebuilt to making it playable in the music machine at House on the Rock form. But outside the attraction, however, the original Martin Denny soundtrack was remastered and reissued under UMG, which allows the album to live on because if it wasn't retained by a current company, the music would eventually be dead and under the public domain. Because of EMI going out of business in 2011, remaster refers to the create a new master of, especially by altering or enhancing the sound quality of an older recording. Remaster does fall under new, as the attraction might have been envisioning the machine existing now as this new available album, which underwent remastering, and was released in the music industry moving forward because Martin Denny lives on, and the machine doesn't anymore. Reissue refers to making a new supply or different form of a product, especially a book or a record available for sale. Reissue does fall under new, as the attraction might have been envisioning the machine existing now as this new available album, which underwent remastering and was reissued, and was released in the music industry moving forward because Martin Denny lives on and the machine doesn't anymore. Remaster, reissue, and renovation all are a new form of something, in this case Martin Denny's music. My guess is the unexplained signage was the best way to signal this new form, referring to the Martin Denny reissue, in a non-direct way to give guests the feeling that there is something new about it despite it is not the physical way that is obvious to the average guest. And they probably don't want to make it seem like direct advertising or a promotion for the Martin Denny album that is new.